Geography, Chapter 3, Grade 9, Lesson 1. Choose the correct answer from the given alternatives. Question number 1. What distinguishes the Rift Valley lakes from the highland lakes? Haroowwan naannoo Rift Valley yookaan sulula qiinxamaa keessatti argamaniin naannoo baddaatti argaman irraa kan adda isa taasisu kami? በስምጥ ሸለቆ የሚገኙትን ሐይቆች በተራራማው አካባቢ ከሚገኙ ሐይቆች የሚለያቸው የቱ ነው? A. The fluctuation of their volume of water. B. Their significance for transportation. C. Their richness in chemicals that produces soda ash. D. Their location along the transport lines. Barattoota. Haroowwan naannoo Rift Valley yookaan sulula qiinxamaa keessatti argaman amalli isaan qaban amala keemikaalummaa soda ashii oomishuudhaaf gargaarudha. Kun immoo haroowwan lafa baddaa irratti argaman irraa adda isa taasisaa jechuudha. ተማሪዎች በስምጥ ሸለቆ ውስጥ የሚገኙ ሐይቆች ሶዳ አሽን ለማምረት የሚውሉ ኬሚካሎችን አሏቸው። ዴቢን ኬኛ ሲታአ jechuudha. Question number 2. All the rivers below drain the southeastern highlands except. Kanaa gaditti kan eeraman hunduu gara southeastern highlandiitti yaa'u. tokkorraa kana fe'edha. ከዚህ በታች ከተዘረዘሩት ወንዞች ሁሉም ወደ ሳውዝ ኢስተርን ሃይላንድ የሚፈሱ ናቸው ከአንዱ በቀር። ኤ ዋቢ ሸበሌ፣ ቢ ገናሌ፣ ሲ ግቤ፣ ዲ ጁባ። ለግኒ ግቤ ገረ ዲሃቲቲ ያኤ ገላና ሜዲትራኒያኒቲቲ ገላ። ከናፍ ጫታአ jechuudha. የግቤ ወንዝ ከሌሎቹ ወደ ምዕራብ በመፍሰስ ሜዲትራኒያን ሲ ይገባል። ለዚህ መልሳችን ሲ ነው። Question number 3. Which of the following Rift Valley lakes are the shallowest and deepest respectively? Haroowwan Rift Valley keessatti argaman keessaa shallowest fi deepest kan ta'an wal duraa duubaan kamii? በሪፍት ቫሊ ውስጥ ከሚገኙት ሐይቆች shallowest እና deepest የሆነ ሁለቱ ሐይቆች እነማን ናቸው? በቅደም ተከተላቸው። ኤ ሻላ እንደ አብጃታ፣ ቢ ደንበል እንደ ጫሞ፣ ሲ ዝዋይ እንደ ሻላ፣ ዲ ሻላ እንደ ዝዋይ. ዝዋይ is the shallowest and Shala is the deepest. Question number 4. Of the following Ethiopian rivers, which one is the most utilized Rift Valley river for irrigation activities? Lageewwan armaan gadii Rift Valley keessatti argaman keessaa oomisha qonna bonaadhaaf kan oolu isa kamii? A. Mojo, B. Galetti, C. Awash, D. Sagan. አዋሽ በስምጥ ሸለቆ ከሚገኙ ወንዞች ለበጋ መስኖ ምርት የሚውል የኢትዮጵያ ወንዝ ነው። Question number 5. Which of the following crater lake is associated to highland lakes? A. Ashenge, B. Zuqala, C. ወንጪ፣ D. ኩሩፍቱ. haroowwan kiraaterii ta'anii keessaa naannoo lafa baddaa Itoophiyaatti kan argamu kamiidha? So Ashenge is the highland lakes while Zuqala, Wanchi and the Kuriftu are the Rift Valley crater lakes. Question number 6. Which of the following is correct about Ethiopian lakes? A. Most of them are the outcome of climate. B. They are dispersely found in Rift Valley and clustered in plateaus. C. They are the outcome of structures of the quaternary plate. D. They are clustered in the Rift Valley and dispersed in plateaus. So the answer is both C and D. Ethiopian lakes are the outcome of structural activities and they are clustered in the Rift Valley and dispersed in the plateaus. Question number 7. Of the following, which pairing indicates the correct name of Ethiopian rivers after crossing national borders? A. River Abai, called as Atbara in the Sudan. B. River Takaze, called as Blue Nile in the Sudan. C. River Gannale, called as River Juba in Somalia. D. River Takaze, called as River Sobat in the Sudan. So, the correct answer is Gannale is named as Juba in Somalia. The longest Ethiopian river which left in Benadir Desert before reaching Indian Ocean is A. ገናሌ B. ዋቢ ሸበሌ C. ተከዜ D. ባሮ laggeen Itoophiyaa keessaa dheerina qabaatee osoo naannoo galaana Indiyaa hin ga'iin gammoojjii Banaadir keessatti kan hafu isa kamii? በኢትዮጵያ ረዥሙ ወንዝ ኢንዲያን ውቅያኖስ ሳይደርስ በበናድር በረሃ ውስጥ ሰምጦ የሚቀረው የቱ ነው? ኤ ገናሌ ቢ ዋቢ ሸበሌ ሲ ተከዜ ዲ ባሮ ዋቢ ሸበሌ is the longest river of Ethiopia that ends in Banadir Desert before reaching Indian Ocean. So the answer is B. Question number 9. Which of the following Ethiopian drainage system is the largest in terms of catchment area and volume of water? A. Inland drainage system. B. Southeastern drainage system. C. Indian Ocean drainage system. D. Mediterranean drainage system. Mediterranean drainage system is the western drainage system that is known with having largest catchment areas and the volume of water that covers more than 60%. So D is the answer. Question number 10. Of the following, which Ethiopian river is not empty to Mediterranean Sea? A. Abbay B. Tekaze C. Sagan D. Baro laggeen armaan gadii keessaa galaana ሜዲትራኒያኒቲtti kan hin galle kami? ከዚህ በታች ከተዘረዘሩት ወንዞች ወደ ሜዲትራኒያን ውቅያኖስ የማይገባው የቱ ነው? A. አባይ B. ተከዜ C. ሰገን D. ባሮ Sagan is not empty to Mediterranean Sea while it flows to southeastern highlands. So the answer is C. Question number 11. Which of the following natural resources is not categorized to renewable resources? kanneen armaan gadii keessaa qabeenya uumamaa ta'ee kan haaromfamuu hin dandeenye isa kamii? ከዚህ በታች ከተዘረዘሩት የተፈጥሮ ሀብቶች ታዳሽ የተፈጥሮ ሀብት ያልሆነው የቱ ነው? A. Natural gases B. Plants C. Soil D. Geothermal energy. Natural gases are non-renewable resources. A is the answer. Question number 12. Which of the following cannot indicate the correct feature of Ethiopian rivers? Amala lageen Itoophiyaa sirrii ta'e kan hin agarsiisne isa kami? A. Seasonal fluctuation in their volume. B. Flows from steep slopes. C. Runs rapidly and the waterfalls along their courses. D. Most of them are used for navigation. So D is not. Why? Because most of Ethiopian rivers are fluctuated in volume, flows on steepy slope, and have rapids and runs. So they never use for transportation or navigation. D is the answer. Question number 13. Which of the following pairing indicates the correct rivers with their hydroelectric power plants? A. River Gibe, Gilgal Gibe 1, 2, and 3 hydroelectric power. B. River Awash, Awash 1, 2, and 3 hydroelectric power project. C. River Fincha, Fincha hydroelectric power. D. Melkawakenna, Koisha hydroelectric power. Tarreeffama kana keessaa sirrii kan hin ta'in መልካዋከና ኖት ኮይሻ ከዚህ በታች ከተዘረዘሩት ከነር ለሃይድሮኤሌክትሪክ ከሚውሉት ወንዞች መልካዋከና በኮይሻ ላይ አልታሰረም። ስለዚህ ትክክል ያልሆነው እሱ ነው ማለት ነው። Question number 14. Which of the following river is the only navigation in Ethiopia? A. Tana B. Zuwai C. Baro D. Abbaya kanneen armaan gadii keessaa lagni qofaatti geejibaaf oolu kamii? A. Xaana B. Zuwaay C. Baaroo D. Abbayaa. Kanaaf lagni Baaroo geejibaadhaaf kan oolu laga Itoophiyaa isa qofaa yoo ta'u haroowwan geejibaaf oolan kamii jedhamee immoo yoo gaafatame Xaanaa, Zuwaay fi Abbayaan haroowwan Itoophiyaa geejibaaf oolanidha jechuudha. Xaanaa፣ ዝዋይና አባያ ለትራንስፖርቴሽን የሚውሉ የኢትዮጵያ ሐይቆች ናቸው። Question number 15. In which of the following areas of Ethiopia you may not encounter the volcanic origin parent rocks which experiences sufficient rainfall? A. Borana lowlands B. North C. Northwestern D. Southwestern In Borana lowlands, you may not encounter the volcanic origin parent rock materials. So A is the answer. Naannoo lafa dakee Booranaatitti biyyoowwan maatii dhagaa volkaanoo irraa uumaman argachuu hin dandeenyu. But naannoo kana keessatti biirraa, siirraa, diirraa argachuu dandeenya jechuudha. Kanaaf deebiin keenya Eedha. Okay? በቦረና ዝቅተኛ የመሬት አቀማመጥ ላይ ከቮልካኖ የተፈጠሩ የአፈር አይነቶችን ማግኘት አንችልም። በት ከቢ ከሲ ከዲ ሊሆን ይችላል። So the answer is A. Thank you students for your watching. Goodbye students. Goodbye.